Can you introduce yourself?
Good day, Ma'am, sir. My name is Danica Soriado, 28 years old, single. I live in Cainta, Rizal. I have one brother and one sister. I'm the second in the family.
Do you have any experience in working abroad before as domestic helper?
No, Ma'am, but I have 5 years experience here in the Philippines. They are 4 in the family, 2 adults and 2 children.
What are your main duties in your previous employer?
Cooking, washing, ironing the clothes, gardening, car washing, taking care of pets, especially taking care of children and elderly.
Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because of the higher salary so that I can much better help my family here in the Philippines.
Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am, like steamed fish, steamed chicken, stir fry, and I want to learn more about Chinese cooking.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
What if the baby has a fever? What will you do?
I will check the temperature and tell my employer immediately and follow the instruction.
What can you teach to your employer's children?
I will teach them good manners, how to read, write, English, how to speak English, and sing a nursery song.
Can you sing a nursery song? Can you give me an example?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
What kind of employer are you looking for?
Nice and understanding, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I am a hardworking, honest, trustworthy, patient, and kind.
Can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
To my future employer in Hong Kong, I hope you choose me or hire me because I am a hardworking, respectful, honest, trustworthy, patient, and kind. I hope you can trust me as your domestic helper, and I will promise I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you and have a nice day, ma'am. See you in Hong Kong.